Congratulations on completing the Advanced English Vocabulary Training. You've taken a significant step toward enhancing your language skills. Let's quickly recap what you've learned. Eloquent, fluent, and persuasive in speaking or writing. Ponder, to think deeply about something. Resilient, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Ephemeral, lasting for a very short time. Now it's time to apply these new words. Incorporate these vocabulary terms into your daily conversations and writing. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Before you leave, please take a moment to share your feedback about the training.